Hello and welcome to Cosmic Cultivators Handyman Edition. In today's episode we are going to do something for fun. I am going to be building a bird feeder, a 7-foot tall bird feeder with multiple arms and multiple extensions to put up a lot of different types of bird feeders that we have. So I have some of it cut out. I'm getting to the point where I need to start showing you what we're doing next, so let's get into it. So you'll see that I have some of it cut out. These are basically going to be bracer boards, and in the middle here I have a blank so I can get the correct measurement on how I'm going to be putting this all together. We're going to use some simple screws, hopefully, and get this assembled. We have that together like so, and like I said, we had that blank in there just for a measurement. Now when I go to get the real board, we can stick that right in there, and then my next step is I'm going to be building support system for this. I thought this was an important step to show you in recreating this idea. So when we made our bracers for the bottom, we had these extra triangles to which you're going to utilize for another set of arms. And what you want to do is you want to drill a hole, clear out some of that wood in there, because if you just throw a screw in there, you're going to split that triangle. And like so. Now that we have everything basically set up for final assembly, I'm going to show you how to get this together. So we have, I'm trying to give you an overall view, this board right here, which is going to be our pillar per se. Then we have this piece here, which are going to be two arms that extend out beyond the pillar. You've seen me do this before, as far as notching a 1/2 inch deep on each board and cutting it just wide enough to be able to sandwich that together and create a really strong joint, I guess you would call it. So what you want to do, I have everything screwed in so I can just go. So I want to find the center point on the top here, and we're going to go ahead and put that right in. And there we have our two arms. I know you can't see it quite yet, but I'll give you a better view once we get to that point. Now we have all these set up for us, like so. And we're going to go ahead and screw that all into place. Alright, now you see we have our bottom assembled and it's firmly in place. I'm going to go ahead and set this down on the ground. We're going to get you a better view of this. So next on this is getting the next set of arms. Now I want to be able to leave enough room for hangers. So I think that should be good. So you see, we're on final assembly now. And we've added quite a bit to this. So last year we used all of these hangers for pots and etc. This year we're going to be making upgrades to the greenhouse, and we don't have room for these at the moment. So that being said, we are turning all of those into arms for bird feeders. So we have 12 hangers, actually 14 hangers. If it becomes unsteady still, we have the option of putting stakes into the ground, and that'll hold it to the ground. I don't think it's going to tip over because it is very heavy, bottom heavy that is. So our next step is we're going to find a place for this, and we're going to grab all of our bird feeders and set it on there and see if this works. Alright everybody, here you see the final product that's halfway full at least. We're going to go to the store and get some of the suet feeders. Some of these things need some repairs. I do have extra plastic. Yeah, I can fix that basically. Get some suet. Get some more bird seed. And as you see, I'd say it came out pretty decent. Like I said, it fits. What is that? That's 8, 12. Has 12 arms on it. Hopefully the squirrels will stay just to the bottom with the corn. I doubt it, but that's alright. Help out all the woodland creatures, because someday they may need to help us out with their nourishment. So I hope you enjoyed this upgrade of the bird feeder. Last year I tried something with a PVC pipe. It did not work out very well. This year I've learned you need to build things big or just stay home. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Think outside the box. Take care of Mother Nature. Peace, love, and happiness.